everyone, welcome back. You're watching Nexus and this is Anu. Today we are going to discuss about two terms, very important terms I must say, the divergent and convergent evolution. We're actually going to be comparing both of them. What is the difference between both of them? So firstly go with divergent evolution. First one we have divergent evolution. If we talk about divergent evolution, it's actually two or we can say more than two or more distinct species sharing common ancestor. Two or more distinct species sharing common ancestor. While in case of convergent evolution, two or more distinct species share traits not due to common ancestor. Divergent, in case of divergent, two or more distinct species sharing common ancestor, while in case of convergent evolution, two or more distinct species sharing traits not due to their common ancestor. For example, in case of divergent, we have example of dog, and if you talk about fox and wolf, all they have common ancestor. But over the passage of time, when they don't need to get together, when their functions actually become changed, they separate. From the start, they actually sharing, like we can say, the starting point, the initial point is actually the same. They're sharing the common ancestor, but with the passage of time, they separated. While convergent evolution is actually the opposite. They do not, sharing the common ancestor, but with the passage of time, when the functions are actually the same. For example, we have example in convergent evolution. There's example of wings of birds, like bats, and if you talk about the butterfly. Okay, so all they have wing, and wings perform same function to fly. So this is one kind of evolution, that is convergent evolution. They do not share traits due to their common ancestor, but with the passage of time, when they need, they become together. While in case of a divergent, they actually do share common ancestor, but when the need and you can say the function become different, they separate. So it's all about the divergent and convergent evolution. And I must include the homologous organ. Homologous organ actually show the divergent evolution, while in case of convergent, analogous organ show the convergent evolution. Homologous, homo means same, the same organ, while the analogous, the different, the structure. So it's all about the divergent and convergent evolution. What is convergent and divergent evolution and how they differ. That's it. It's all about the tutorial lecture. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.